The difference between bullet journaling and journaling. Bullet journaling versus journaling. You may be asking yourself, okay, what is the difference between bullet journaling and normal journaling? Both are great ways to improve your life, but they are very different. Bullet journaling is more about staying organized and productive, letting loose your creative side, and making it a part of your life, while journaling is a more low-key way to look back on your day or let your feelings out. Journaling is also a great way to reflect on your day, but it's not as practical for everyone. Bullet journaling allows you to be able to track your progress and see how you are doing. It is a great way to build motivation and confidence in yourself. What is bullet journaling? Bullet journaling is a method of organization that uses a blank notebook with bullets on every page. The idea is that you can use the notebook for any purpose, from keeping a to-do list to tracking your daily tasks. You can also use bullet journaling to set goals, track your progress, and plan for the future. There are many benefits to bullet journaling. For one thing, it can help you become more organized. If you're the type of person who tends to lose track of things, a bullet journal can be a lifesaver. Once you get used to the system, you'll be able to quickly jot down what you need to do and when you need to do it. Customizing it. Customizing your bullet journal, also known as creating different spreads, is a great way to make it more personal and unique. You can add your own touches to the pages and make it more functional for your needs. Keep in mind, with a bullet journal, you can make it work specifically for you and your needs. You don't have to worry about anyone else's system. It's all about what works for you, which is fantastic. What is journaling? For some people, it is a place to vent about the events of the day. Others use it as a tool to improve their writing skills. And still, others find it to be a relaxing outlet for their pent-up feelings. Whatever the reason, journaling can be an important part of self-expression. Journaling provides a way to express yourself in a way that you may not be able to do in everyday conversation. It can be a safe place to explore your thoughts and feelings, without judgment from others. You can also use journaling as a way to work on your writing skills. Journaling can be a great way to relax and de-stress. Benefits of journaling. The act of putting pen to paper to record your daily log like a diary can help to clear your mind and focus your thoughts. And because journaling is completely private, you can be completely honest and open with your thoughts and feelings. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed, consider giving journaling a try. Main difference. The main difference between journaling and bullet journaling is the way information is presented. In a journal, you would typically write out your thoughts and experiences in a paragraph form. In contrast, a bullet journal uses a more concise and organized approach, using bullet points or short phrases to capture key ideas. While both types of writing can be helpful for self-improvement, bullet journaling may be especially beneficial if you are looking for a way to better manage your time or track specific goals. For example, you can use a habit tracker to record your progress with a certain task or create a packing list to help you remember what items you need to pack for an upcoming trip. By taking the time to plan and organize your thoughts in a bullet journal, you can make the most of your time and effort, helping you to achieve your goals more effectively. Get creative. Bullet journaling is often thought of as a way to keep organized, and while that is true, it can also be a little more creative. One way to add a personal touch to your bullet journal is through art. You can use art to create the charts and decorate each page to your liking. For example, if you want to create a mood tracker, you could use different shapes and symbols to track your mood. Or, if you want to create a list for packing a hiking bag, you could draw each item you list or draw a hiking bag to list the items in. It is easy to create an aesthetic in bullet journals, and it can be a fun way to express yourself. So don't be afraid to get creative with your bullet journal and add a little bit of artistry to your organization system. May require more supplies. Bullet journaling has quickly become a popular way to keep track of one's life, but it may require more supplies than traditional journaling. For example, many bullet journalists use different color markers and pens for each different subject. This helps to create a visual distinction between different areas of their life, making it easier to find the information they need. Stencils can also be used to help create trackers and charts. And stickers can be used for labeling things or to add a visual aspect to the journal. Bullet journaling may require a little more planning and forethought than traditional journaling, but for many people, the benefits are worth the extra effort. The good news is that all of these supplies are relatively inexpensive, and once you've stockpiled them, you'll be able to bullet journal to your heart's content. Which should you go with? Bullet journaling. Bullet journaling and journaling are both personal. It just depends on the type of self-improvement you want and if you want things that can help you. Bullet journaling can help you create good habits and stay organized. Journaling can help you get out your feelings and learn more about yourself. If you find it hard to continue good habits or you easily forget what you plan to be doing, bullet journaling could be great for you. This is a great way for someone with ADHD to help focus on the good habits they need to continue in their life. Journaling. Journaling is also a very personal experience. It is a way for you to get out your feelings without having to worry about anyone else's opinion or judgment. It can be a really liberating experience and can help you learn more about yourself, especially if you tend to bottle up your emotions. Journaling can also be a great way to work through tough times in your life. By writing about your problems, you can often see them in a different light and come up with solutions that you may not have thought of before. It can also be helpful to read back over old entries and see how far you have come. This can give you a much-needed confidence boost during tough times. Why not both? It's important to remember that you can use a form of long journaling in your bullet journal if you would like to do both. You can create a space within your bullet journal to write about your day and jot down some notes. This is a great way to get all of your thoughts down on paper, and it can also help you to process your emotions and figure out what is really going on in your life. Additionally, you could also create bullet journaling entries based on what you have journaled for the day. For example, if you had a bad day, you could write about it but also create a list of what might have caused this mood. This can be a helpful way to pinpoint negative patterns and begin to work on making changes. If you don't want to write every day, that's okay too. You can use your journal weekly when you feel it is important to write about something that you may feel like you can't let go of. Bullet journaling is a versatile tool that can be adapted to fit your needs and calendar. There are a number of ways you can approach bullet journaling, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Conclusion. Both types of writing are useful for different reasons, but in the end, it all comes down to what you need help with. If you need to let something go, journaling can be a great way to do that. On the other hand, if you need to be more organized and enjoy being a little creative, a bullet journal can be a great way to do that. In the end, it all comes down to what works best for you. So, experiment with both and see what you like best. And remember, there are no wrong answers when it comes to which type of journaling you choose. Personal experience. For any bullet journalers who want to share their story on how they got into bullet journaling and what it helps them with, or if they also incorporate journaling into their life, please share your story with the community below.